What if the power went out? Could you feed your family? What if the power went out for a month? What's in your pantry? How delicious do these creamy, loaded mashed potatoes look? This isn't no beans and rice, but this is a prepper meal. Just like all my recipes, straight from the pantry. You've heard to stock up on beans and rice. Gross. I'm turning the prepping food community upside down. No more beans and rice, no more buckets of nasty pouch food. All my recipes make your daily life easier and double as emergency food. It's a 2-for-1. These creamy, cheesy, meaty-filled, loaded mashed potatoes are what happiness is made of. But I have to tell you a secret. You could buy the ingredients for this meal and store it away for a year, and it would still be just as delicious as the day you bought it, if stored properly. That's why I love pantry meals. They are quick and easy for daily life, but also perfect to have on hand in case of emergency, power outage, or heaven forbid, another global pandemic. And there are lines wrapping around the grocery store. I started Loaded Potato with not worrying about what's for dinner tonight, but it's time to stop worrying about dinner in the future or ever again. Let me show you how to make this delicious, apocalypse-proof loaded mashed potatoes. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make quick, delicious meals for about $1 or $2, no hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about dinner again, for tomorrow or 30 years from now. Loaded mashed potatoes. It's hearty, delicious, and so filling. I mean, mashed potatoes are delicious on anything. They are my favorite vegetable. And this is everything that you're gonna need. Dehydrated potato slices, instant mashed potatoes, sour cream powder, freeze-dried cheese, chili no beans, bacon bits, dehydrated green onions, and water. Preheat your oven to 350, or since I want to prove that you can make this when the power is out, turn your burner on your stove for your stovetop oven. In a medium-sized baking dish, combine your dehydrated potato slices with your water. Make sure all the slices are covered in the water and let the slices rehydrate for about 10 minutes, soaking in water. Next, in a small bowl, combine your sour cream powder and your water for your sour cream powder. Mix it well till it thickens. In a glass container, combine your freeze-dried cheese and cover it with water. Let your cheese rehydrate for about 5 to 10 minutes. In your last medium-sized glass bowl, add your instant mashed potatoes and boiling water from your electric kettle or stovetop. Pour the boiling water over your mashed potatoes, stir well with a fork until it thickens to form a delicious mashed potato consistency. In an oiled casserole dish, place your rehydrated sliced potatoes on the first layer of the bottom of the pan. Next, spread the sour cream evenly over all the sliced potatoes. Open your can of chili no beans and spread it evenly over the sour cream. Now we're gonna layer on our mashed potatoes. Use a spoon to scoop a small amount of mashed potatoes and place dollops all around the dish so you have a bunch of little hills. Smooth it all like it's frosting. Now we're gonna sprinkle our bacon bits right over top of our mashed potatoes. Drain the water from our rehydrated cheese and sprinkle the cheese right on top of the bacon bits. And last but not least, top it with our green onions. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. The result, restaurant smelling, creamy, meaty, delicious, loaded mashed potatoes. This recipe is so delicious and so easy. You have to try the recipe for an easy dinner, link below. But also, while you're at loadedpotato.org, grab a couple extra, stash for a rainy day. If dinner's been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me for more quick, shelf-stable meals, and visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery list, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. And while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and for 30 years from now. Just pick your meals, we'll do all the calculating and even add it to your Walmart or Amazon cart, all free. Never worry about dinner again. Loadedpotato.org. Till next time.